Alright, well here we are, almost at the end of the trip. It's been a great time so far, getting to see family and friends. Supposed to meet my aunt today for lunch, see what's going on with her, and that's it. I'm here hanging out with my my Dunkin' peanut butter coffee. I've had Dunkin' Donuts every single day this week. Thank you. Alright, so I'm about to do about a 45-minute cruise in the harbor.
Good afternoon,
here we go.
Ladies and
about to start.
Battleship in the Pacific to be hit by kamikaze pilots.
Last one to be hit by kamikaze pilots right there.
The hit went down into the engine room and killed 22 cops.
Alright, so that concludes something I always do when I come here, which is having some oysters at the Union Oyster House. I actually find myself going there every single time I come back home. So now I gotta jump on a train back at Aquarium, get back to Winthrop for tonight's big surprise. What is, in my opinion, the best Italian food in Boston. It's in East Boston. It's a place called Reno's. Definitely have some cannolis, some lobster ravioli that I am excited for. Alright, so this is what I've been waiting for. Reno's. This Reno's restaurant right here is shit. Last time we were here, it was the best lobster ravioli I've ever had in my life. So I'm going in on the lobster ravioli. Let's do it, Reno's. This is the crab cake right here. Oh my god, it's so good. baby octopus and mussels, fried mozzarella. Dive in. Eggplant. But for real, this food is on a whole nother level. A whole nother level. Lobster wrap. This is the stuff of legend. Holy shit, was that such amazing food. What a success. I am so stuffed. I got leftovers, he's got leftovers, everybody's got leftovers. You can't go to this place without having leftovers. Alright, so Boston has included a little skate park underneath the Steakham Bridge here. So this is what we're gonna do, we're gonna go check this out right now. Well, the tricks weren't exactly Santa Monica. What do you think? You wanna get a cannoli? Cannolis. Let's go get some cannolis.
My neck and my wrist full of diamonds. My clothes home straight from designers. I told you to pull out the rape. Let's flex the finesse for the cameras. I'm just gonna pull up the surf. I drop the 4 in the finals.
So I would say this is a pretty great way to end my trip. Having a beer outside of the old Boston Garden with the Steakham in the back here. Only this isn't the way I'm ending my trip. I did my Chinese food when we went to Kowloon's. I did my super rare roast beef at the ranch. Did my Italian food last night. I did my lobster rolls. I did everything I needed to do. The only thing left are the cannolis. I think Bubs is taking me somewhere to snuff me out. Pretty sure I'm gonna end up in the woods somewhere. So this might be my last vlog. Alright, we're here at the old shipyard. A place called QAPT. What are we grabbing in here?
Beer, beverage, Australian meat pie.
We're gonna have an Australian meat pie. Whatever that is. I'm about to try an Australian meat pie. Oh my goodness.
You guys know the
How about this fantastic little spot, huh? You got South Boston right over here. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. In about 5 seconds, I am about to have an extraordinary dish. So I just finished my KO pie experience. It was delightful. Not the typical type of thing you have in Boston, nonetheless delightful. Now for the grand finale of all this. Cannoli! For the last and final spot on the trip. Spinelli's. Spinelli, Spinelli, Spinellis. That's what we're gonna do, our cannolis, cannolis, cannolis. 2 or 3? Let's see. All right. Who goes and spends $32 on cannolis? I do. We're about to go head first into this whole cannoli thing. Well, do you want to do the honors? Chocolate chip cannoli. Now for the other cannoli. Don't mind ending the trip with this cannoli. Hit the subscribe button down low. Hit the like button. Do them at the same time. This has been the Rim Vlog. See you next time. Alright, so Nicole had to leave early from this trip because her sister was having a baby, and she didn't get to eat the lobster ravioli she wanted. She also didn't get to eat any cannolis. So what I did, just got her a whole box of cannolis. You're welcome, Nicole. You're welcome.